Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to customize Shopify store navigation menu. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. The navigation menu or the nav bar is pretty easy to modify. You need to head over to online store and then head over to navigation. There you can incorporate different type of options. You can see in the main menu we got home, products, contacts, news and blogs. Click on main menu. Then here you can incorporate different menu items, like for example, let's just say you want to add a contact page. You can click on this plus icon and search in here for contact and it will be appearing. Basically these are the this is going to be the name. Then we have default menu options, like for example search, collections, products, pages, blogs and much more. So that's how easily you can customize Shopify store navigation menu. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.